If your burgers are burned outside, raw inside, or everything tastes like smoke and panic, it might not be your grilling skills. It might be the grill. The best gas grill should give you control, not chaos. And the wrong one can turn an easy backyard meal into a guessing game. That's why choosing the best one matters a lot more than most people expect. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best gas grill options on the market right now. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly 4-burner grill that gives you real cookout space without the premium price tag, a compact small space option for tighter patios, or a premium pick built for more serious backyard cooking, there's something on this list for you. And to make things even easier, we've included the product links in the description, so be sure to check them out. Now let's start the countdown with number 5 is the Monument Grill's 4-burner propane gas grill. This is the best budget option on our list. If you want a serious backyard grill without spending too much, this is aimed at the buyer who wants strong heat, enough room for family cookouts, and simple propane convenience. At around $399 with the current coupon, it makes sense because it keeps the price approachable while still giving you the core features that actually affect the cook. This gas grill uses 3 main burners plus a dedicated 12,000 BTU broil zone, so when you put a steak down, you can build a hot sear instead of waiting for the grill to catch up. It also reaches 500 degrees in about 5 minutes and 650 degrees in about 10, which means you can start cooking quickly instead of hovering around the lid. The 570 square inches of total cooking space covers a normal family meal without forcing you to cook in tiny batches. The 304 stainless steel burners matter because they are built to handle repeated high heat and resist corrosion in an outdoor patio setup. The strongest point is value. You get fast preheating, a broil zone, foldable side shelves, tool hooks, and easy grease cleanup in a budget-friendly propane gas grill. The honest limitation is wind performance. One buyer said it struggled to stay lit on breezy days, which can interrupt your cook. It also lacks smart app control or a built-in temperature probe, and that matters during longer sessions. If you're a budget-focused backyard griller who wants strong heat and practical space, this gets the job done. Number 4 is the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner gas grill. Best for small spaces. If your outdoor space is tight but you still want a real grill instead of a tiny tabletop setup, this is the right pick. The Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner gas grill is built for patios, balconies, and smaller decks where space matters, but you still want enough power for a proper cookout. Its value comes from giving you useful cooking space, strong heat, and easy mobility without forcing a huge footprint into your backyard. The core spec is 401 square inches of cooking area, which means you can load up 8 to 10 burgers and handle a small family meal in one round. But the real technical advantage is how the compact body works with foldable side shelves and 4 rolling casters. The setup gives you prep space when you need it, then shrinks down and moves easily when the grilling is done. That means you get real outdoor cooking without permanently sacrificing your patio layout. The porcelain-coated cast iron grates are another strong feature. They hold heat evenly, resist sticking, and make cleanup smoother than bare metal grates in this price range. The honest limitation is build quality consistency. Some buyers mentioned missing hardware, a short gas hose, and quality control issues, which is a real friction point if you expect everything to be perfect out of the box. If you're a small space griller who wants good heat and easy storage, this gets the most value. Number 3 is the Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill. Best portable. When portability matters, this is the gas grill you buy when a basic tabletop unit feels too flimsy, but a full backyard grill is too much to haul around. The Weber Traveler earns its spot because it gives you real stand-up grilling performance in a design that can actually travel. It folds down to about 32 inches wide, so it can fit in most car trunks for camping or tailgating. Once you roll it into place, the folding stand becomes the main system. Press the lever, raise it with one hand, twist the knob, and the burner is ready to go. Out of the box, you get durable wheels, a side table, porcelain enameled cast iron grates, and enough grate space for up to 12 burgers or 15 sausages. What makes the Weber Traveler genuinely different from everything else on this countdown is the one-hand folding design with an automatic lid lock. The stand handles set up and break down fast, while the lock keeps the lid and grate secure during transport. According to Outdoor Gear Lab, it delivered excellent cooking performance, solid temperature control, and easy transport in testing. Verified buyers consistently noted how smoothly it folds, rolls, and stores. The honest limitation is the price and fuel setup. A 20-pound tank hose is not included, and that catch is documented and worth factoring in. But if you want a portable grill with real cooking power and easy transport, this is a strong number 3. Thumbs up! Number 2 is the Napoleon Rogue PROS 525 propane gas grill. Best premium. If you want a premium gas grill that can sear, roast, and handle bigger backyard meals without feeling basic, this is the upgrade pick. The Napoleon Rogue PROS 525 sits higher on the list because it gives you more power, more cooking room, and more specialized heat zones than a standard propane grill. At around $1,600, you're paying for a stainless steel build, infrared burners, and the kind of cooking flexibility serious grillers actually notice. But the real differentiator is the infrared setup. The side infrared sear station is built for high temperature steakhouse style searing, while the rear infrared burner is designed for rotisserie cooking. In practice, that means you can put a hard crust on steaks, roast with the rear burner, and keep appetizers on the warming rack without treating every meal like a one-zone cook. The practical win is the folding shelf and oversized side shelves mentioned by buyers. You get more prep space when you're cooking, then a cleaner footprint when you're done. The honest limitation is build consistency. One buyer noted knob wobble, painted steel areas on the cart and rear grill tub, and burners that didn't look as robust. That's a real ongoing commitment if you expect premium durability outside year-round. The second catch is the convenience package. A buyer listed no lighting as a con, and no smart app platform is included in the provided features. This grill is built squarely around hands-on propane cooking. If you're a serious backyard griller who wants infrared searing, rotisserie potential, and premium build quality, this is worth choosing over cheaper models. Number 1 is the Weber Spirit E325 gas grill. This is the best overall today. The number 1 pick on the market right now is the Weber Spirit. Here's exactly why it lands at the top. At around $550, you're getting a full-size liquid propane gas grill with 3 burners, 2 boost burners, and a sear zone that's built for everyday outdoor cooking without feeling oversized. The Weber Spirit E325 bridges both sides with serious searing power, steady heat, and a footprint that still works for most homes. One gas grill, almost every normal backyard scenario. The boost burners unleash 40% more power in the largest sear zone in its class, so steaks and burgers can get those bold sear marks without forcing you to move up to a huge premium grill. The porcelain enameled cast iron grates also retain heat evenly, which helps the whole cooking surface feel predictable instead of patchy. According to Smoke to Beat Q Source, after weeks of cooking on it, the E325 stood out for 2 qualities that matter more than hype: serious heat and rock-solid ignition. The Snapjet ignition gives you burner-by-burner control with a simple press and turn, so over months of use, lighting the grill stays quick instead of becoming a ritual. The Weberworks side rails support snap-on accessories sold separately, which is on par with an optional accessory system. Useful, but not required. Before the cons, here's why the trade-offs don't change the ranking. The Monument is more budget-focused, the Nexgrill is more space-focused, and the Traveler is more travel-focused. This Weber fits most setups without making you rebuild your grilling routine. The honest limitations are the plastic wheels, accessories being sold separately, and Smoke to Beat Q Source also noted the wheels felt cheap compared with the rest of the build. For most buyers who want dependable backyard grilling, real searing power, and a smart balance of size and performance, this is the easiest grill to recommend. The Weber Spirit E325 is the clear choice on the market right now. Let me know in the comments which gas grill is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.